Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Health and Beauty channel, and in this video we'll discuss 10 Korean skincare rules that everyone should follow. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. You can lie about your age, but your skin does not. Perhaps this is why they developed groundbreaking skincare techniques that have infiltrated the Western beauty business. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Both Korean men and women have beautiful skin. Are you ready to learn their secrets to a clear, smooth, and youthful complexion? Alright, beautiful skin, here we come! Multi-step cleansing. Korean beauty comes with a lengthy washing routine that entails several procedures. Remember how your chemistry instructor always said like dissolves like? In this scenario, the Korean skincare technique begins by washing with oil-based products to remove all oil-based pollutants such as sunscreen and makeup. It also removes extra oil from your pores. The next step is to apply a water-based cleanser to eliminate all water-based residues including sweat and grime. You may also need to exfoliate your skin on occasion to eliminate dead skin cells. Facial massages. Facial massages are probably considerably more popular in the East than in the West. Every day, Koreans execute relatively simple massage routines to keep their skin smooth and fresh. The tapping strokes utilized stimulate the lymph nodes, which help fight aging by increasing blood circulation and removing waste. Massages are widely used to prevent wrinkles along the V-line, above and between the eyes, and around the lips. Here's how to do your daily facial massages properly. Begin by cleansing your face and sanitizing your hands before applying your favorite moisturizer to your skin. It's an important step since it permits your hands to move freely. Tap or gently massage the product onto your skin, beginning with the sides of your cheekbones and working your way up to your forehead and chin. Press lightly on your skin 8 to 10 times. Massage your neck with light pressure and strokes after you've rubbed your face. Moisturize immediately. If you want to fully benefit from the moisturizing process and allow any lotion or cream to infiltrate your skin, moisturize as soon as you get out of the shower. Because your pores open up while you shower or bathe, apply your moisturizer to your face no more than a minute after you've dried off. Vitamin C. Vitamin C offers numerous skin advantages. It hydrates dry and dull skin from within, and its antioxidant properties detoxify tired skin. It improves skin circulation, which helps to brighten and refresh the complexion. Furthermore, vitamin C increases collagen formation, which decreases wrinkles, and citric acid works wonderfully for cleaning out your pores of excess dirt and oil and removing dead skin cells. Overall, using vitamin C in your skincare treatment will leave your skin bright and clear. To benefit from citric acid's therapeutic properties, apply a vitamin C serum or juice half a lemon into a bowl, add water, and apply to your skin with a cotton ball or disc. Use more water and less lemon juice if you have sensitive skin. Always remember not to use lemon or any other vitamin C containing therapies before stepping outside. Vitamin C makes your skin more susceptible to UV damage, resulting in dark patches and hyperpigmentation. Save your vitamin C treatment until later in the day. Ginseng. This is most likely Korea's best health medicine. The same is true for your skin. It is an antioxidant that prevents aging, maintains skin suppleness, and increases the lifespan of skin cells. Ginseng also helps to increase collagen formation, which implies fewer wrinkles. Here's how to make your own DIY ginseng skin mask. Take 1 tea bag with ginseng powder, dissolve it in 1 cup of very hot water, chill the liquid, and apply it to your face. You can leave it on or rinse it off and apply moisturizer with a cotton ball. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Hyaluronic acid. As we age, we produce less and less sebum, and as a result, the skin aging process is accelerated due to a decrease in hydration. Hyaluronic acid is a great component for retaining moisture. Sagging skin becomes moisturized and firmer as a result of its use, and wrinkles become less evident. Hyaluronic acid is suitable for all skin types. Obviously, more aged and dry skin benefits greatly from this acid since it receives much needed moisture, but the combination of the two plus oily skin also requires hydration. Hyaluronic acid is ideal for those people because it is light on the skin, and when it comes to blemish-prone and sensitive skin, the antioxidant qualities of hyaluronic acid help calm and soothe it. Snail Mucin. Yep, are you ready to cover your face in snail slime? Don't knock it until you've tried it. Snail mucus, which contains collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and mineral salts, is used in Korea cosmetics to enhance the natural skin-enhancing advantages. Because snails use it to renew their shell, it is naturally built to regenerate cells. Because of its structure, snail mucin reduces free radical damage to your skin and normalizes collagen and elastin synthesis. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, thus it soothes and relieves discomfort. It moisturizes the skin by enveloping it in a thin, invisible film that traps moisture while enabling oxygen to pass through and allow the skin to breathe. Sun protection. The sun should be your #1 enemy in the fight against aging. When your skin is exposed to UV rays for an extended period of time, collagen formation in the dermis diminishes. As a result, the skin becomes thin and wrinkles form. Sunscreen is an absolute necessity in the K-beauty system. In fact, Korean sunscreens outperform Western sunscreens. Sunscreen in Korean skincare is relatively light in texture, absorbs quickly, and leaves no sticky or oily residue. In addition, Korean sunscreens hydrate the skin and can even be worn before putting on makeup. Aside from aging and beauty, protecting your skin from the sun is essential in preventing melanoma or skin cancer. Collagen. How many times have you heard this word today? Only roughly 1,000,000 times. That's because your skin desperately requires it. Collagen is a type of protein that gives structure to your skin. It's like a framework that keeps the structure together. Without it, the structure would fall apart. Collagen helps to keep the skin's flexibility and radiance. Skin that is deficient in collagen becomes sagging and loses its fullness and suppleness. All of these procedures can produce changes in facial characteristics. Unfortunately, collagen production slows dramatically as we become older. As a result, collagen serums are crucial in the anti-aging K-beautification process. Peptides. So we just discussed how collagen is a protein. Peptides, which are similar to proteins, make up the segments of this chain. When your body senses an increase in peptides, it interprets this as a sign that your skin is shedding collagen. As a result, it begins making it, which is exactly what we want. In other words, peptide-containing compounds aid in the formation of collagen. Peptides come in a variety of forms. Palmitoyl pentapeptide 3, for example, boosts collagen production and aids in skin healing. Hexapeptide lowers deep lines and wrinkles, and acetylhexapeptide 3 inhibits neurotransmitters that direct your facial muscles to move. Simply select the peptides you require the most and purchase it. Of course, you can always seek advice from a dermatologist. Do you have your own skincare routine? Have you ever tried Korean skincare products? Share it in the comment section below and let's see how close you are onto getting that K-beauty look. If you learned something new from our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.